Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of counting dirhams. It might sound simple, but there's more to it than just numbers. We'll explore how this process shapes decisions, impacts daily life, and connects to bigger ideas. Let's get started and see what counting dirhams really means. Welcome to the supermarket. On the next slides, you'll see different items and their prices. Your job is to make the right amount by dragging coins into the box. Once you've got the correct total, click me and I'll ask you a question. Remember, counting your coins carefully is key, so take your time and have fun with it. Let's think about this together. You gave me 10 dirhams, but how do you know for sure? One way is to count the coins or bills in your hand. Another is to add up their values slowly, making sure nothing's missed. Checking like this helps avoid mistakes. It's a simple step, but it makes all the difference. So how many dirhams did you give me? Let's try again and see if we get it right this time. Let's think about this together. If I take these 18 dirhams and spread them out in different spots in my cash register, do I still have the same total amount? The question isn't just about moving money around, it's about understanding that the value stays constant, no matter where it's placed. This idea helps us see how amounts don't change just because their arrangement does. It's a simple but powerful concept to keep in mind. Let's take a moment to think about how you counted the dirhams. What steps did you take? It's important to explain your process clearly. That way, we can spot any mistakes or find ways to improve. If you're unsure, don't worry. Try again and we'll work through it together. Remember, practice helps build confidence, especially with numbers like 20 dirhams. Let's keep going. Let's pause and think about how we say this number out loud. Is it 12 Probably not. Numbers have their own patterns, and sometimes we get them wrong without realizing it. Here, we're talking about 12 dirhams. It's simple, but it shows how important it is to get familiar with the right way to say numbers in different contexts. Let's keep practicing and get it just right. So, how do you know you've counted exactly 8 dirhams? It's a simple question, but it gets to the heart of accuracy and attention. Maybe you count once, then again, just to be sure. Or you might double-check by grouping the coins differently. The key is building confidence in what you've counted before moving forward, because getting it right matters. Let's keep this mindset as we move on. Now let's pause and think, how did you make sure you only counted out 5 dirhams? It's a simple question, but it's about precision and attention to detail. Did you double-check? Did you count slowly or maybe use a method to keep track? This step is all about accuracy, making sure what you intended matches what you actually did. It's a small moment, but it can make all the difference. Ready to try again? Let's go. Counting can be tricky sometimes, especially when you're dealing with new numbers or unfamiliar currencies. Here, we see a simple example, 11 dirhams. If you ever find yourself getting mixed up, try breaking the numbers down into smaller parts or saying them out loud slowly. Practice is key. And remember, it's okay to pause and try again until it feels natural. We're all learning as we go. Let's think about how we can arrange these 16 dirhams to figure out exactly how many there are. Instead of counting one by one, we can group them in a way that makes counting faster and easier. Maybe in rows or columns, something that helps us see the total at a glance. It's a simple step, but it's all about finding a smarter way to understand the amount we're working with. Now we're looking at a simple question. How many dirhams do you have left? It's a moment to pause and check your understanding. If you're not sure, you can try again. Or if you're ready, move on to the next step. Here, the answer is 7 dirhams, a small detail, but it keeps the flow moving forward. Let's take another look at this problem. If one fish costs 7 dirhams, then 3 fish would cost 3 times that amount. So 3 fish would be 14 dirhams. It's a simple multiplication, but a great way to practice breaking down everyday questions into clear, manageable steps. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.